Hello, guys. I hope you are doing well. Well, today I'm here to just show you that how to hold a pen. So let me show you that how to grip it. So I'm here to show you that how to hold a pen. So let me show you very closely. Just don't look at the way that I'm holding from here, from there, or from there. Just see the uh, position of the fingers. First, let me tell you that I'm not a doctor, not that kind of any, surgeon or whatever you want to say. So I'm just a common person who have been just holding a pen from, student life to the professional life. So it's all my experience that I'm speaking today. So I'm showing that how correctly we can just how to just hold it correctly. I will discuss each and everything. You first just look at the way of fingers. All right. This is how we just hold it. So if your hand or if your fingers are really hurting or they are having some discomfort or you are just, you know, your handwriting speed is not really up to the mark, it's quite slow, or if it's not legible enough, so then you must just change the way. Maybe you will write like this, or maybe like that. I have seen people holding in the band just like this. If you are comfortable in it, then you may continue with it, or however you want to just hold. It doesn't really matter. Okay. If three things problems, what are the problems? So let's write the problems too. Problems that people mostly suffer from is that fingers or hands are hurting. Hurt. Number two, if your writing speed is low. Low. Handwriting speed. All right. And the third thing is if you have a problem that your writing is not legible. Not legible. All right. So if you are having these three issues, then you really need to change the way you are holding the pen, the grip. Now let me explain that how to hold a pen. Don't focus that from where I'm holding. I will discuss three things. First thing is that how to hold a pen, the position of your fingers, a thumb, all right, this thumb, and then these one, two, three, and the fourth. These four fingers. Okay, so if you look at it very closely, nicely, then this thumb is directly holding this pen. This finger is directly holding, and this and this. These three fingers are directly touching the pen. Can you see? The thumb, this finger, and this ring finger. So thumb, index finger, this bigger middle finger, and this ring finger. These are just touching directly to the pen. And this pinky one, it is just supporting the ring finger. I hope you are getting. I'm trying my best to show you with every angle. So this is the thing. So how to just, if I say, let's focus on way to hold a pen. If I say just, there are three, tricks, or you can say that holding pen, how to hold a pen. Holding pen. First thing is, number one, gripping pen. Gripping. Let me focus here. Pen, which is telling about how to just hold it. It is showing the fingers and thumb. If I write it here, fingers and thumb. All right, and let's go to the second point, and that is, okay, let's discuss first. Three fingers are holding my pen, right? Let me show you. Three fingers are holding my pen, and this thumb is holding, and this pinky one is just supporting. It is playing the role of supporting this finger. It's not touching the pen, not like this, not like this, not like this. Okay? Absolutely not like this, but like this. All right, this second thing is that the distance should be proper. Advocate distance. So I must write adequate I hope so that spelling is right. Distance. Not too far. Not really too far. Not from here, not from there, not from here. Not really near. Not too close. See? It shouldn't be so close. It should be from here. Okay, there's a range you can hold from here. You can hold from there, and you can hold from there. So this is the range. This to this or this. Good enough. Right? So I like to hold from here, a little bit closer. All right? And the third is adequate pressure. All right, what does it mean? It means that pressure should not be, let me clean the, as fan is turned on. Right, so not applying too much pressure like this. Okay, if you do this, it will start shivering. It will be giving so much pressure like this. If I do like this, if I'm applying so much pressure, then your nib, if I'm saying thumb, you know it will really disturb the whole hold. All right, so the pressure should be fine, it should be adequate. The pressure should be adequate, normal pressure, and distance should be fine too, not too close, not too far away. Pressure should not be light. If the pressure will be right, then two things will happen. You will write lighter, light. If I write finger, then see it is, and it is also just slowing from my, so I need to just keep holding it again and again, so because it is slipping from here to there, it is not finely gripping. So that's why the pressure is important, the distance is really important, and the, of course, the way of holding pen, that which fingers are holding. All right, so these three things really matter. So you can just make your way now. This is it from my side. And if you are not feeling any discomfort, hurt, or your writing speed is fine, and if your writing is quite legible, then you're fine with it. You can just hold in any way. I have seen many people who just hold not properly, but their writing speed is amazing and they're quite legible with their handwriting. So it's fine. So it's for those. Let me show you. And yes, one thing more I want to show you, that this is, I'm just telling with the pen, and if I'm just showing it with the pencil guys, just look at it like this for writing, just like this is the way you can hold, from here, or from there, not from there at all, not too close, not too far away. This is fine, this is fine, this is fine. So if I write like pencil, I think it is quite lighter. Pencil guys. So hello to pencil guys too. Pencil guys. Alright. And I have some more pens too, so let me show you a few. We have discussed this, Let me show you this one. There are certain pens which have the grip, which have, no, this one is not, but I'll show you. Let me show you. First look at this one. This is how you can just hold. I think it's not clear. Like this. All right, and I have shown you this one, the ink pen people, from there. Here you go, like this, just like this, very easy, simple. All right, and then common pen, clear enough? All right. Okay, this is a normal pen. Sorry. It's just a little vibrating when I'm just touching this screen because the neck of my camera stand is getting weaker. Okay, let me show you the one which has got grip. Guys, I'm really sorry that I couldn't find. Okay, let me just finish it off. So this is it from my side, so you can just see that how to hold. I hope it will work. Thank you so much. Keep subscribing, keep liking, and keep watching. Thank you so much.